Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your MSI GE75 Raider. First, ensure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged from any power source. Gather your tools, including a small Phillips head screwdriver and a plastic pry tool. Working on a clean, well-lit, and static-free surface is crucial for safety and to prevent damage to your device. Next, carefully locate and remove all the screws securing the back panel. It's important to keep these screws organized, perhaps in the pattern you removed them, as some may be shorter or longer than others. Don't forget to check for any hidden screws that might be concealed under rubber feet or warranty stickers. Once all screws are removed, it's time to detach the back panel. Use a plastic pry tool to gently work your way around the laptop's edges, carefully separating the panel from the main chassis. Start from a corner or an area with a visible seam. Apply gentle, consistent pressure to release the internal plastic clips without causing damage. With the clips released, carefully lift the back panel. Be cautious of any ribbon cables that might still connect the panel to the motherboard. Now you have access to the internal components, such as the RAM, SSD, and battery. Remember to avoid touching sensitive parts directly and consider wearing an anti-static wristband for protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.